The testimonial to all of this is putting this big, factory here. This is the most advanced RUTF factory in the world. And for us to be able to put this up, we needed handholding. They actually delivered everything. So I've seen what's happened with Rendezvous Group in Kenya. It's absolutely amazing. I love the work, play, and live concept, because what happens with that is you have less of environment pollution. That's one of the reasons. The second reason why I chose Alaro City is because I know that they will hold my hand through the difficult.
We're here, to establish a detergent factory, which is going to be the second largest in the country, with 20 tons per hour capacity, and 2 lines. And what is beautiful about this place is that you have all the infrastructure in place, because we have factories all over the country. But wherever we build our factories, we need to provide the infrastructure. For example, we generate our own electricity. We have to make provision for our own water supply. We build our roads. But when you look at the infrastructure that is here, where you have all the road networks built in a very, very solid manner, you have the gas supply, you have power generation, you have water. You don't have to do all those things. So it costs you is much less, because you save the time that it would have taken you to build all those infrastructure, as well as the cost in acquiring those infrastructure in terms of capex. So we are very happy to be here, and it makes our life easy. And you can see the proximity is very close to town with all the infrastructure. We are just by the highway. So we are very, very excited to be here.
Welcome to Alaro City. Have you heard of us before? If you haven't, let me tell you a little bit about who we are and what we're doing. Alaro City is a development by Rendezvous. We are urban city developers. We build beautiful cities like you find here in different countries in Africa. We are in Zambia, DRC, Ghana, Kenya, and now Nigeria. Now, what are we doing here? We're building world-class infrastructure, which means international standards, water, roads, development, ICT fiber optics throughout the whole city, as well as proper sewage system and so much more. A city that you find abroad in Nigeria. Now, we have 43 companies that have bought land that we like to call our citizens. One of the companies is Ariel Foods. Ariel Foods is first time here in Nigeria, first time in Africa. And what do? They produce ready-to-use therapeutic food for famine. We also have BUA, which is on my right here. They're building a detergent factory. And you have many, many more companies. And why are they moving into Alaro? Because they're taking advantage of all the free zone benefits. Some of the free zone benefits are no import tax, no export tax, no corporate income tax, as well as many, many more free zone benefits. Besides taking advantage of all the great benefits that you have being in the free zone, one side of the city is logistic, warehouse, and light industrial. I'd like to make that very clear, so no heavy chemicals will be found in the city. On the other side of the city, you have residential, commercial, mixed use, office buildings, schools, parks, entertainment, restaurants, you name it, you have it. Anything you find in a proper city in the Western countries, it's finally here in Nigeria. So come, take a tour and join us here and be one of our citizens at Alaro City.
The reason why I actually chose Alaro City is because I can sum it up in one word: trust. You can sum everything up that they do in one word, which is trust. You can trust them to deliver what they promise. You can trust them to hold your hand. And I recommend that anybody seriously looks at them.